Are you tired of spending hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars on courses that really don't even give you the value that you need to run a business? I know I was. Every course I bought just left me feeling upset and just my wallet hurting, you know? I know you've been there. But today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a completely free course made by Russell Brunson, the creator of ClickFunnels himself, that will give you 100 times more value than any course you've ever gotten. Now, if that's not enough free value for you, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can access my free training and the $25,976 worth of bonuses, all for free. Now, how's that sound? And all you got to do? Stay tuned. Hey, Thomas Garrett's here. Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time here, I just want to let you know that I upload 3 days a week, okay? So it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And all my videos are based around how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in making passive income online, definitely go down below and hit that subscribe button, followed by that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. So anyways, I'm just going to hop into ClickFunnels and I'm going to show you how to get this free course. Alrighty, welcome to my computer. So this is exactly what ClickFunnels looks like on like a brand new trial. This is just a test account. So if you're like, I have no idea what ClickFunnels is, all this stuff is just like foreign to me, that's okay. I have two solutions for you. The first one, that's just a YouTube video that I'm gonna link to up in the card, and that's like a complete tutorial I did on ClickFunnels. That'll teach you a lot, like pretty much everything you would need to know. However, you could just stay in this video and wait till the end. I have my free training, and also this course that I'm about to show you that's inside of ClickFunnels, it covers everything. I mean, it's amazing. And there's so many people who have no idea about it because I'll show you why. Okay, so it's Funnel Builder Secrets Lite. So the reason why it confuses a lot of people is because Funnel Builder Secrets is a completely different offer. And what it is it's either $2,000, $3,000, and I think $6,000. Don't quote me on that, but there's 3 different levels to it. So the first one is like 6 months of the highest ClickFunnels plan, which is $297. So 6 months of $300, that's $1,800 already. And the smallest plan is $1997. So it's pretty much already paid for. You get a year of funnel scripts, which is one of the most amazing softwares ever created. What it is it creates all your copy, all your sales scripts, like everything. You just fill out like a short questionnaire. Some of them take a little longer if you're doing like a webinar script or like a video sales letter script. So it's programmed in there where it takes like all the best copy from all these successful people and he put it into the software, and it takes bits and pieces out of all of it and crafts it for your own niche. And however you answer the questions, it puts them in there. It's so amazing. But yeah, so Funnel Scripts is amazing. That's just another thing you get as part of the Funnel Builder Secrets plan. And then there's a bunch more stuff, and it's worth way more than $1997, and that's for the lowest one, the $2,000 one basically. And then the $3,000 one is basically all the same stuff except 12 months of ClickFunnels for free, the highest plan. And then the $6,000 one was like some coaching and stuff like that included. So it's a really amazing offer. So the reason why a lot of people just skip past that is because they think that this is that. However, it's not. Funnel Builder Secrets Lite is completely free. So you just click that, right? And all you do is you put in the email that you created your ClickFunnels account with. So I'm going to do that real quick. And voila, it's a completely free course, right? And Russell Brunson is the main part of it. And then these modules are all from Julie. She's super cool. She's in a lot of his videos with like the Funnel Fridays and stuff like that. She's really good at explaining stuff. And it's nice to have another perspective because, you know, Russell Brunson is amazing at what he does, but he can't do everything. He has to have some people help him too, you know? And she's really good at explaining things for a basic understanding. And this isn't just like one of those courses where it's like showing you how to do one thing. They go through everything. They go through the hook, story, offer. They go through creating your offer, pick your funnel, copywriting, power, everything. And you'd think that each of these modules is just one video, right? However, let's go right here. Look at, so Julie Stoyan, I think is how I probably butchered that, but that's her. She's super awesome, right? So she does all the modules, right? And they show like what the modules are, right? And then you go through here, there's just so many videos, right? And then You can listen to the audio, download the notes, you can fill in the blanks. It's super amazing stuff. So then they have more stuff. Okay, so one thing I want to show you real quick is this. So this is Russell Brunson, obviously. He's amazing at explaining this stuff. And right here, I clicked that one just because I was like, there's no way. So they're giving away a bunch of free funnels. And if you've never used ClickFunnels before, I'll show you. Let's just click one of these, right? This is what it will do. So what it does is it brings it into your ClickFunnels account with a click of a button. They just get uploaded as in your own, right? So it's super cool. So let's hit view funnel. Ooh, look, my first funnel. Thanks. Close window. So this is a complete business set up in ClickFunnels, and it's all ready for you. And all I did was click a button. You understand how powerful that is? I hope this makes sense, right? This is a course, but it's so much more than just a course. So we can go look at the homepage. So this is just like showing that you could use a funnel as like a website. Like, you don't need a website anymore. Look, this looks just like a website. You know what I mean? Like, this is a real website. It's just made as a funnel. And I'm not telling you to do one or the other. I personally have both. However, just starting out, honestly, I wish I didn't mess with having a website because that's just extra stuff you don't need. Like, honestly, ClickFunnels does it all. Like, I'm serious about that. And the Funnel Builder Secrets plan, that's going to be another video I'm doing soon, but I'm actually going to purchase that in like probably a few months because I actually want to start using Actionetics. I use ConvertKit right now for my email marketing, but I've been kind of watching what Russell Brunson and Steven Larson is doing, and I just love how their emails look in Actionetics because it can do things that other email softwares can't do. And it's super awesome. So I'm going to try testing that out. And with the Funnel Builder Secrets, it's $2,000, but you get 6 months free of the $297 plan, which you need for Actionetics, their email software. So it's pretty much paying for itself. And then you also get Funnel Scripts, which is, I was just talking about. It's amazing software. I actually have a video that I'll link to up above. I just picked like a random affiliate offer out of ClickFunnels, and it ended up being Funnel Scripts. So I made like an opt-in page and a bridge page for Funnel Scripts, and like, I think I said I would do it in like 20 minutes or whatever, and I feel like I did it quicker. I don't know. But anyways, check that out after this. It's really cool. That software is amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think next to ClickFunnels, that software is pretty dang close. Like, the power of it, because of how much it costs to hire a copywriter and how long it takes to learn good copywriting, that value, you just can't deny it. It's just ridiculous. Like, if you want to hire a good copywriter for a website, that's going to cost you $10,000, $20,000. Like, not even joking. Like, that's how expensive it is. But anyways, I believe in Funnel Scripts. I'll stop talking about it now, but that's the reason why I'm going to pay the $2,000 because it's such a good value. So you can look out for that video soon. I'll be doing that one. So anyways, let's look back at this course and see a little bit more of what they can do. Okay. So you see this stuff, right? So they have 10 homepage funnels that you can use with one click, right? And then they have more. These are squeeze page funnels. Look, download, plug and play. Let's download this. Okay. Look at all these. They have so many more. You could just take any of these. It's amazing. Look at all these. Seriously. And these are all squeeze page funnels. It's basically an opt-in page. That's how you collect emails. So let's just select one for the sake of showing you. Okay, so here's the opt-in page or the squeeze page I grabbed just to show you that this stuff is actually real. Like, he actually did this for us. We can literally click a button and we can literally get complete businesses, funnels, uploaded into our account in seconds. This stuff is so powerful. You would just need to obviously customize it a little bit, like discover the shocking truth of how to make the best lasagna without having a bunch of carbs in it or something along those lines, right? You can do it for anything. It doesn't have to be affiliate marketing. It doesn't have to be make money online. It could be anything. You can use a funnel for any business. However, I teach it with affiliate marketing because I believe that is the best business model as a beginner, especially, but as people who don't have a lot of time. Like, I work a job. I still work on my business all the time, right? But even if you don't have enough time, if you got a family, if you work a 40-hour week, you can turn affiliate marketing into a side hustle and then transition into your main hustle very soon. And that's my plan, right? So I'm not trying to tell you that I'm rich or anything, but if you work hard enough, you will get there, okay? I made this channel so I could show you what I'm doing, exactly how I do it, and you can follow along with my journey, and hopefully I can help you do the same, because I don't know about you, but I hate my job. I make good money, but I hate my job, okay? It takes a little bit of my soul every single day. I don't know if you know much about the casino industry, but I deal blackjack and I make $65,000 a year, up to 70, down to 55. So there's a lot of fluctuation, right? Because I work on tips. Now, if you've ever been to a casino, there's some people who are in there every day and they think they can talk to the dealer however they want. And it's just not the job for me, okay? But it pays the bills, right? So you got to make money. I'm not saying that you should quit your job like a lot of gurus do. I think that's dumb. I think it's good to have a job. However, you have to budget, you have to save your money. So when you do want to go full-time with business, you're not screwed if things go slow for a little bit. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So anyways, so that's just another little thing. So it's the squeeze page and then the thank you page. And you would just put like a picture of yourself right there, or of like an ebook if you're doing like an ebook opt-in, and then you just make your own video, right? So it's super, super easy stuff. So then there's application funnels, tripwire funnels, sales letter funnels, product launch funnels, webinar funnels, auto webinar funnels. This is all free stuff, okay? It's amazing, right? So that's just that, the death of a website, right? The hook story offer, funnel hacking. This is amazing, okay? This stuff is ridiculous. He gives you everything you need. And then you got, like I said, Julie Stoyan, and she walks you through everything. She teaches you how to make, here, let's look at one thing I was watching the other day. Where is it? Funnel design, I think it was. Custom backgrounds, shows you how to make cool backgrounds. It's really, really awesome stuff that I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that good at. It's not easy to do what they're doing, but once you watch these videos, you can learn and you can implement. Just because you don't know something doesn't mean you can't do it. But after watching that video, I bet I can go and do it, and guess what? It's gonna make your website or your funnel look amazing. They know what they're doing. She is very good at design, trust me. I've watched a lot of these videos and she knows what she's talking about. So definitely, you don't have to pay for any of this. So I don't know why you wouldn't go into it. Okay, so one more thing before I show you my funnel. This is the last module, module 10, okay? This is traffic. This is the most important part of any business. It doesn't matter how great your design is, how many hours you spent on the copy and perfecting every little thing. If you don't have traffic, you're not gonna make money, okay? So what Traffic Secrets is, he usually sells this for like a couple $100. This isn't free. However, in Funnel Builder Secrets Lite, you can get it for free. So you just create your account. So then you do the same thing right here. You put in your account information and you create it. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so this is inside of Traffic Secrets. Now, don't get overwhelmed because there is a lot of stuff in here. There's over 125 different ways to get traffic. And like Russell Brunson said in the video that I didn't watch it, I should have showed you. It was like a minute long, but it's on the module 10. He's saying, don't get overwhelmed because there's so many ways to get traffic. So just pick one, okay, and start with that and then master that and then move on to another one, okay? So that's the best way to do that. And this is just an amazing course. I mean, it tells you everything you need to know. It's just, oh my God, it's so much stuff. So anyways, so that's 2 free courses, Funnel Builder Secrets Lite and then Traffic Secrets, okay? Now, the last thing I'm going to show you, this is to top it all off, the cherry on top. If this isn't enough free value for you yet, check this out. Okay, so this is my funnel. This is the opt-in page, the squeeze page. So what you do is you go to go.thomasgarretts.com/win. Okay, it'll be the first link in the description. And what you're going to do is you're going to go here. I mean, you don't have to do this, but what I would do if I was you, and what I'm suggesting you do, because this will help you very much, you click yes, give me the training now, because this is free. This is all free. And then you put in your email and then you just hit yes, okay? So now this is the bridge page, and what it's doing is I'm saying stop, click and watch. So this is me telling you, congratulations, thanks for signing up, stuff like that. Here's what you can expect over the next few days. Your first lesson is on the way to your email right now. And basically what to expect is how to make money with passive income, etc., etc., etc. I'm not gonna just spoil it all for you. You gotta come here and watch it yourself. So basically what you get down here is this is the bonus stack. And if you start watching Russell Brunson, you'll learn about that. So you get the Top Earner Mentor Masterclass, which is another free course, which is amazing. In my opinion, it's better than the 2 courses I just showed you. That's just my opinion. I'm a little biased. So you get all these free things, right? You get more done for you high converting funnels, which is basically my funnel, just a little less customized because I did that myself, right? And then you can leverage all these bonuses, right? And you get the $1 million swipe file, which is social media posts, emails, everything. This is all done for you, okay? And then you get all that stuff, and look at this. $25,976 worth of bonuses, like I said, and you get it all for free. And all you got to do is you have to sign up for a free trial ClickFunnels. So you don't even have to pay for anything. You just get a free trial ClickFunnels and you get all of the bonuses. Now, for you, if you're like, well, I already have ClickFunnels, what can I do? On the email, you'll learn, once you go to the first lesson, you'll see that if you already have ClickFunnels, you can just buy the Top Earner Mentor course, which is $497. It's down from $997 right now. So you can just buy that and you'll get access to all the bonuses as well. It's an amazing offer because, I mean, just the funnels alone and for promoting ClickFunnels, this is what you want. Like all the other stuff you get inside of ClickFunnels, that's great if you're going to be promoting ClickBank products and stuff like that. And that's totally fine if that's what you want to do. I actually made a video of how to promote ClickBank products. I'll post up above if that interests you. But if you want to promote ClickFunnels, which I suggest, I highly, highly suggest. I think that's honestly the best software ever created. I mean, I hope you're seeing some of that. This is just some of the free content on there. Anyways, so this is just, it's amazing, right? So look, you can go here, go to thomasgarretts.com/win, get your free trial of ClickFunnels. Okay, then inside of ClickFunnels, go get the Funnel Builder Secrets Lite membership. And then after that, you go all the way down. And once you're done with getting your funnel all set up from the done for you stuff, then you go to the traffic secrets. And there's also a traffic mastery course inside of our bonuses. Okay, so you have all this free content at your disposal. You just have to use it right. So you don't want to spend hours and hours and hours just researching all day. You got to research, right? You got to learn, okay? And that's fine. But don't spend all your time doing that, especially when you're first starting out, because you can get information overload. And that happened to me. You don't want to do that. You want to focus on what you need to do and do it. So you want to learn some and implement it. You want to learn some more and implement it. Okay, you don't want to just learn, because then you don't have any time to do anything. So I hope this makes sense. I know that video got a little longer than I thought, but my voice, I'm also kind of losing. I hope you can understand me. But this stuff really works. You have so much free content at your disposal, and it's like high value content. And these aren't any of those fake courses that people just make and sell to you and sell you a dream. These are courses with everything you need to actually run and start a profitable business. And all of the tools are right at your disposal. You have everything you need. You just have to implement it. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I appreciate you if you stayed this long. You are the real MVP. I apologize, I'm losing my voice a little bit. Thank you again. I'm going to end it at that. Until next time.